Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to craft ultra-glide fins. These advanced fins are a game changer for underwater exploration, significantly increasing your swim speed. We'll go through each necessary component and the simple crafting steps. By the end, you'll be ready to glide through the ocean much faster, making resource gathering and discovery far more efficient. Let's dive in and get you equipped for speed. To begin crafting your ultra-glide fins, you'll first need to gather a few key components. The foundation is a pair of swim charge fins, which you might already have. Next, you'll need 2 pieces of silicone rubber, easily crafted from creepvine seed clusters. Don't forget one wiring kit, often found in wrecks or crafted from 2 silver ore. Finally, secure 1 computer chip, which requires 2 gold, 1 copper wire, and 1 table coral sample. Gather these, and you're halfway there. To enrich the sound, let's introduce the left hand with some simple chords. For the first part of the melody, your left hand will play a C major chord, consisting of C, E, and G. As the melody progresses, switch to a G major chord, which is G, B, and D. The key is to coordinate both hands, starting very slowly. This adds depth and harmony to the familiar tune. With your new ultra-glide fins equipped, you'll immediately notice a substantial boost to your underwater mobility. These fins provide a 25% increase in swim speed compared to standard fins, making exploration and resource gathering far less time-consuming. You can cover vast distances in a fraction of the time, allowing you to discover new biomass and secrets more quickly. Get ready to glide effortlessly through the ocean, enhancing every aspect of your Subnautica adventure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.